Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for dropping by. In this video, we're going to look at the RC Tamiya mini 4-wheel drive car again. And these two are the Top Force and the Avante. Both are 4-wheel drive track cars which I converted to radio control. As you can see here, there's the servo that allows 4-wheel drive steering. In my previous video, I converted this to FPV, first person view, by using this 5.8 GHz video transmitter and camera. In this video, I had done the same to this Avante. In order to race these cars with my friend in first person view, I bought another camera, and it comes in the same box as the previous camera, but the camera is totally different. Let me show you. Now on the right is the previous camera that I've used, and you can see there's a big IC here. And this is the new camera that arrived. It has a smaller IC. In terms of functions, they are the same. They both transmit 5.8 GHz real-time video. However, I would recommend that you get this one here. The one with the big IC actually runs on a wider voltage range, meaning that you could power it off a one-cell LiPo, whereas the newer one will require 5 volts. Unfortunately for me, in this car, I do have a 1S step-up booster. As you can see, I have a DSM receiver here which requires 5 volts to function, and hence I have this one cell 4.2 volts step up to 5 volts booster, and with this booster I could get the 5 volts required for the camera. So the pigtail here is wired differently. This pigtail that powers the camera gets 5 volts supply from the 5 volts booster. Alright, enough rambling, let's bring them out and have a race.